Hey beautiful doll faces, we have another spoiler alert. Are you ready? The FabFitFun has launched a new Editor's Box. FabFitFun Summer Editor's Box is on sale now and customization spoilers. You can use code MSA10 to save $10 off your first box. We have the spoilers for the new Editor's Box. Here are the 2 categories you can customize. Customization number 1, and I have everything on the bottom of the screen. Remember, you can customize, and this is for all subscribers. So, the sunglasses, we got the facial tool, and then we have, I like the design. I'm going to blow it up here a little bit, maybe a little bit so you can tell the design. And then we have the anti-aging light device. We also have the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. And I really like the hanging train case. I really do. That is really cute. And then we have the sweater coat. So, what do you think so far? Now we're moving on to customization number 2. You can customize items and all members can choose. So we have, okay, packing cubes and sherbet. We got some detox pads. Okay, we got some day cream. Some facial night cream as detox. Ooh. Twine cheese board with plate. Ooh. And we also have the crossbody bag. Summer and Rose. You'll get 6 products in addition to these 2 selections. So which products are you going to choose? Comment below, let me know. So what do you think of the spoilers as well? Are you going to grab a box? New subscribers can use coupon code MSA10 to get this box for only $39.95. Now I have a little bit of information on screen how this works. And I do have a link down in the description if you want to go check out FabFitFun and subscribe for this box. Make sure you head over to Instagram and follow me. I do have a giveaway. Make sure you enter that giveaway as well. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away Sephora gift cards.